is Saturday. What a beautiful, beautiful, sunshiny day it is. All right, so I'm bringing in some aluminum, some dirty copper, and all this trash has to go today. Done with the trash. So I'm going to bring my scrap metal in. Figure I might as well go to the landfill at the same time, because this stuff has to go. Oh, we got bunches of trash. I figure I'll go to the scrapyard with the goodness first, and then we'll get rid of this trash. I loaded my trailer off camera. I literally unloaded all my barrels. I mean, I unloaded all of them and reloaded them proper off camera. Got everything loaded in my truck, ready to go to the scrapyard. Today is Saturday. Saturday. So yeah, nothing better to do than to get this trash out of my yard. It's been adding up over time. This is all just stuff that I've scrapped out and haven't gotten to the trash yard yet. I would love to clean up my yard some today, because this is really my last chance to do it. Sunday, this thing feels a little heavy for some reason. Heavy. Oh yeah, it's full of water. This is my last day to get rid of my trash, because I'm leaving Monday morning with my wife to New Jersey to visit with her mother. She's 93. Not sure how many more visits we'll get at this point. So we're gonna go for a week to New Jersey, enjoy ourselves, spend some time with her mom. 93 lady, 93 years old. But anyway, I've got to get some trash out of my yard. What a better day to do it than today. Not a better time. Uh-oh. Some lizards in there. I hope they get out before I get them. I don't want to kill any lizards today. I've seen them. You better go find a warm spot, guy. I am picking up your house. Picking up your house. Hope everybody's having a blessed day. Like I said, it's a beautiful Saturday here in southeast sunny Southport, North Carolina, guys. Beautiful. I done rented me a car, set up to pick up on Monday. Hopefully something decent. My wife will like driving in, because she hates riding with me. She hates riding with me, especially all the way to New Jersey. 10-hour drive for me. Hoo-yah! 10 hours. This stuff here has been here since the tanning bed that I tore apart quite some time ago. And there was a lot of junk on it, but boy, there was some goodness too. Matter of fact, I'm bringing in the metal, some of that metal to that tanning bed today too. So finally. But it's gonna be nice to get this out of my yard. Crapness. All this crapness. So this will be second. First, Southern Metal, then Brunswick trash. I've been wanting to get this stuff out of here for a while, guys. So, crazily enough, I recorded picking up trash, and I didn't record loading my trailer with scrap metal. What was I thinking? What was I thinking? Steel. Don't throw no steel away. All right, lizard, I don't know where you went now. I'm getting down to you. Hope you're gone. God, it's gonna be a blessing to get this trash out of my yard. I've got trash everywhere. Everywhere. What a blessing, finally. Oh, we don't want to bring any water. That's expensive. No water. Yeah. Could use that down the road. Oh, I don't think there's an easy way, so I'm gonna do it this way. Yeah. Steel. You know that's gonna want to blow right out the truck. I'm gonna have to cover it for something, with something. Yeah, oh, that big door will do it. Got that big door to throw away. Trash, trash, more trash. Yeah, that door is going to be nice to go on top of that. After I do this, I'm going to have to get a rake in here. This is beautiful. What, babe? Gate's closed. Beer can. Corona full size. Ooh, legs are killing me. Oh, my legs are killing me. PAD is no joke, guys. Golly. Hiya. Just back and forth, back and forth. Bending over is what kills me. I can stand in one spot all day long. Work and work and work. But as soon as I start moving around, boy, whoo-wee, my legs don't like it. Oh, yeah. Beautiful day. Oh, what a blessing. What a blessing. Get all this stuff out of here. I feel good. Like I knew that I would. Get me a rake over here, man. Be good to go. Been dying to get this trash out of here. Finally. Finally. Some air conditioners that I was tearing apart the other day. Yeah. Whew. All right, take a break. Oh, got it loaded. Yeah. Sweet. All right, we're almost there. I am so close to running to the scrapyard, it ain't funny. Grandpa is blessed. What else we got over here for garbage? Garbage. More trash. What a beautiful day. I'm so happy. I'm blessed to be alive. to enjoy this amazing day that the good Lord has brought us. Thank you, Lord, for everything. Let's see. Thank you for the day. Thank you for my life. Thank you for the opportunities that you've given me throughout my life. Yes, thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Many blessings in my lifetime, I can say. Many blessings. I need to bring this to a friend of mine. Let him fix that. Not today, I got too much to do. Not today. But this is going to a friend of mine. Brand spanking new Honda motor. It needs a pump. I'm just so disappointed that the pump went bad after only using it about 3 times. Ridiculous. I'm gonna bring this with me just in case I have to stop and cover this up. I don't think anything's gonna fly out right now, but if it thinks about it, I'll have that to put on it, and we'll put something on that. Get from flying out of the truck. All right, we are ready. Bought me a new charger for my battery. I decided to get a little one. Genius 5 Noco. Genius 5. It's a slow charger, but that's what I really need for my battery. A nice slow charge. And my other one's constantly going bad, so I decided to go with a smaller type that charges a little slower. Golly, look at my yard. Another couple weeks of not working or spending in my yard, I'm pretty sure all this stuff will be gone. Another couple weeks. I still have, look at all the stuff I have, guys. I've got generators. 1, 2. 2 big generators. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 more air conditioners. Whole bunch of motors, a bunch of them. Whole bunch of motors. I mean, that's mostly motors back there. A couple microwaves, a couple squirrel fans. Yeah, about 2 more weeks. Barrels that I just need to micro scrap out. Yeah, 2 more weeks. I think I'm gonna be about done 100% around here, but I need about 2 more weeks and this will all be cleaned up. Gosh, I'm feeling good about it, guys. What do you think? What do you think? My yard is coming around. All right, guys, let's go to the scrapyard. Let's go to the scrapyard and then the trash, and then see what else brings us. Let's go. You're good. I can't even believe it. I just went in the non-ferrous, turned in a whole bunch of stuff. I'm getting ready to find out what it was. I'm supposed to be recording. I hit my record button. GoPro beeped. It's thinking GoPro. To me, it says it's recording. I come out, hit the button. It beeped weirdly. So I thought, well, that's funny. So I took it down, looked at it. I hadn't recorded anything. Not only did I not record anything, it made me go through the complete GoPro setup again. Anyways, we'll go over the ticket when I come out. Scrapboard Grandpa, what's next? Alright, so all I brought in was non-ferrous, in which my camera said I was recording. Let's go see how we did. Non-ferrous Saturday. I'm gonna call it today Non-ferrous Saturday. All right, guys, that wasn't much of nothing, to be honest with you, but for a Saturday morning, just grabbing some stuff that was in my shop, my scrap shop anyways. $141. What we got? Aluminum sheet, 26 bucks. Aluminum cast, $15.30. Copper number 2, 5 pounds, $13. Irony aluminum, $23. Aluminum light iron, $10.80. Brass yellow solid, $24.50. That was my clean brass. Irony brass was $9.45. Irony aluminum was $2. Wasn't much of that. What else? Well, pretty good ticket. $141.25 for a Saturday morning. Grandpa's not going to complain. And yeah, Scrap with Grandpa. What's next? All right, so I just left my local landfill, where you see a lot of steel end up. It's sad, but a lot of steel still ends up in the landfill. Well, I didn't drop off steel today. I dropped off the trash from all my scrapping that I've been doing for the last probably month or maybe more. My ticket was $14, so doesn't cost that much to get rid of it. You just got to store it up for a while, just like you do your metal. So throw all your trash to one side, and that's what I did. Actually to the center, and I won't do that again. But to one side or whatever, and then yeah, keep going. Eventually you're gonna have to make a trip to the dump. For some of you, the dump might be free, but for me it costs by the ton from my right here locally at my landfill. I do get away with putting some in my trash can, the smaller stuff, but for the most part it's literally going to the landfill. They don't do much recycling actually where I'm at right now, unfortunately. They do some, but not very much. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Scrapping with Grandpa. What's next? I'm gonna go see what I can get into.